Want to paint super cool space guns like these? We'll show you how, just stay tuned. Yep. Unnormal family jam. Unnormal.
Let's have a good space gun. You need a few things. A Nerf gun, sandpaper, spray paint, masking tape. Let's get started. Before you paint your gun, you have to sand it. Sanding is important. It helps the paint stick to the gun.
That's right. That's why it's really important to do, and you have to be thorough about it. Also remember to wipe off the gun after you've sanded it, because you don't want to paint the dust or something like that. Ready?
Yeah.
Give her
Now we're gonna spray it.
If you are going to paint your space gun with a metallic finish, then it's very important that you start with a matte black base coat. Keep your spray can 10 to 15 inches away from what you are spraying.
Sometimes you gotta let your parents help you.
Yeah. It's hard, that's why I help you. You know? I just push, you move the hand.
You want to have nice, thin, even coats of paint. Ideally, 2 to 4 coats would be the best.
No, the front.
When you try to put the paint on too thick, it tends to drip, and that gives you a less than lovely finish.
Okay, your hand's gonna have painting in. Okay, off.
Whoa, Amor, he's painting you.
It's okay, I am not ready.
Now we have to put it in to dry. Let's go. Come on. Come with me.
Our next step is masking. I'm taking small pieces of tape and covering sections of the gun, as you see here. This part I want it to stay the same, so I'm going to push it in there with my finger, take an X-Acto blade and cut it away so that when I peel away the tape, section stays there. Take a tool of some sort, maybe a pencil or even your finger, just to push the edges down so the paint doesn't leak in. The better job you do with masking, the less work you'll have to do with touch-ups. So take your time and enjoy it. This is my first time doing masking, even though it looks like I know what I'm doing. I really don't, I'm just discovering it along the way. There we go, we're cutting away some more on the back. Basically all the parts that have tape on it will remain black, while the rest of this gun will be painted another color.
Between golden and brown, you can make that look like a roasty. Roasty is chicken.
Second one to look more real. Now I just want to be sure the inside of these holes be silver too. It's almost perfect.
If you would like to see more of these space rifle creations, prop guns, let us know in the comment below. Please subscribe and like, because it means a lot to us. Everyone counts. See you soon!